5 Rich Dad Poor Dad Critical Lessons. Most of us are broken because we have different points of view about money. We perceive money as a goal, money as a means of purchasing certain items. But the affluent view money as an instrument for making more money. Poor people also believe that money love is the basis of all ills, and affluent people believe that money shortage is the foundation of evil. These conflicting opinions are the result of a lack of financial training. We can purchase us independence, riches and leisure for a little financial education. Rich Dad Poor Dad is the #1 book to begin your financial training. I'd suggest it to everyone. In high schools this book should be required to read. It's tougher to keep money than to make money. In just 2 or 3 years, how many billionaires go overnight? You can't keep your money, they don't know. Kiyosaki's experience with 2 fathers, one poor and one affluent, describes in this book how every papa has distinct points of view on money, life and freedom. When you read this book, you will never perceive money in the same way. Here is my favorite passage from the book before delving into the article. Life is like going to a fitness center. That's the most painful aspect. It's easy once you're over it. I was afraid to go to gym for many days, but it is a delight once I'm there and in motion. I'm happy I talked about it once the workout has ended. 1. Brave yourself. School teaches you money to work. Our education system is based on the assumption that corporations or institutions produce a staff. It is learned unquestioned because people are scared. And this is an easy journey. Get courageous if you want to take control. Why not squeeze some of the walls? 2. Work with money too. Broken individuals remain broken by squandering their entire money. Middle-class individuals remain middle-class, with all their money saved. By working all their cash, the affluent people remain rich. You're going to take time to make enough money if you labor for money. People don't want to understand about money as the most prevalent difficulty. They are studying their topics, working, getting paychecks and dying. Purchase real property. Stocks /S. Bonds /S. Real estate /S. Businesses. 3. Teach financial literacy to yourself. It doesn't matter how much you make money. It's like you keep a lot of money. Noob sounds like this. But it is extremely difficult to maintain money. If you don't trust me, check back on last month's revenue and how much you got today. Money is not money without financial knowledge. 2 distinct things are making money and keeping money. Don't confuse both. Don't confuse both. Do you recall that athlete made millions at 24, but slept 10 years later beneath the bridge? There is enormous responsibility for financial literacy. You understand that 50% of your expenses are worthless and liabilities if you have significant financial intelligence. 4. Consider your own company. The idea of establishing a business is intimidating. But why not start a lateral hustle while you work? Over time, small something may become great stuff. You want to focus your own business on your property column rather than just revenue statements. Do not be intimidated by the thought that you own a company. The firm is also focused on the purchase of stocks. Immobilities, royalties, bonds are the other types. Once your asset column has $1, don't let it come out. Don't ever pay off your hard-earned money with luxury. Purchase assets with it instead and purchase pleasures with the revenue created. 5. Corporate power. The more difficult your task is, the more you pay the government. A company is the rich's greatest secret. You utilize it for avoiding excessive taxation. But the business isn't actually something that many people don't grasp. It is only a file folder containing certain legal papers. It was popular since a company's income tax rate is lower than the income tax rate. Furthermore, a business with pre-tax cash might pay some expenditures. That is, it is feasible to acquire a portion in advance of the taxes.